My name is Paula Devine. I'm Director of the Northern Ireland Life and Times Survey and Co-Director of ARC. And it's a big day on our survey calendar to be able to release the findings of the latest survey, this one coming from data that was collected in the autumn of 2023. So welcome everybody. Our event today is focusing on a subset of the questions in the survey, which was looking at experiences of accessing mental health support. And we're really pleased that we have Siobhan O'Neill and Nicole Bond from the Office of the Northern Ireland Mental Health Champion, I think hopefully correct, who will be presenting the seminar and funded that set of questions within the survey. But for now, I just want to give you a little bit of background to the survey and to ARC itself. So the Life and Times survey is one of the resources within ARC. ARC is a joint initiative, Northern Ireland Social Policy Hub, which is based across Queen's University and Ulster University. It's one of the longest standing and a unique collaboration across the two universities. And I'm really pleased that my colleagues from Queen's and Ulster are here today. I myself am based at Queen's, and we have several here from Ulster as well. And ARC was founded in 2000, so we're going to be marking our 25th anniversary next year, which would be great. We tried to mark our 20th celebrations in 2020, but obviously COVID hit, so we didn't have much celebrating going on. So we hope that next year we'll be a little bit more active in terms of marking our 25th anniversary. So as I say, ARC is Northern Ireland Social Policy Hub, but one of the resources that I'm mostly involved in is our suite of 3 public attitude surveys, the Northern Ireland Life and Times Survey, as well as our Young Life and Times Survey and our Kids Life and Times Survey. So Life and Times is of adults aged 18 or over, and it's been running since 1998. And then Young Life and Times is of 16-year-olds, it's been running for 21 years now. And then Kids Life and Times is of 10, 11-year-olds, 2008. The idea was to have a record of public attitudes to the key issues that affect their lives. We started with Life and Times of adults, say in 1998, but realised that over time that actually young people and children, it's very important that their views, attitudes and voices are recorded and brought forward as well. But getting back to Life and Times, we started in 1998. Obviously, devolution had just started in Northern Ireland, and we felt it was really important time to monitor the attitudes and behaviour of people in Northern Ireland, and to use that as some kind of data to help inform evidence-based policy making in Northern Ireland, as well as the lobbying infrastructure as well. So we're looking at key social attitudes affecting our lives, and because we've been going now for over 25 years, we've got an important time series and public record of attitudes and behaviour. So the survey began in 1998. Until 2019, it was run as a face-to-face survey with a small self-completion, and was very similar to a previous survey, the Northern Ireland Social Attitude Survey, which ran between 1989 and 96. But obviously with the onset of COVID, we had to change the way that we recorded attitudes, and so we started and changed our mode of administration to be an online questionnaire, and we've continued that ever since. But there is a phone option for those who aren't able or don't want to complete the survey online. For the 2023 survey, the fieldwork took place between the 7th of September and the 14th of January this year, and the fieldwork was undertaken by Ipsos, and we're very glad that some of Ipsos staff are here today as well. So, what did we ask in 2023? So, it was a random sample of 1,200 adults aged 18 or over across Northern Ireland. The topics are good relations, minority ethnic groups. So, it's looking at people's attitudes towards different groups of people living across Northern Ireland. And tied into that is the idea of respect. We have politics, community safety, perceptions of paramilitary influence, the criminal justice system, mental health, which we're going to be exploring further today, gender-based violence, road safety and income and poverty. And hopefully you'll appreciate that those are a lot of the issues that are affecting everybody's lives across Northern Ireland. So available from today, sorry, typo up there, it should be 2023. So available from today, we've got the questionnaires, the technical reports, tables of results for all the questions by age, sex and religion, and the data to download all on the website. and that is available from now. A key ethos of ARC surveys is that the data is available to anybody and everybody who wants access to them without registering for the information and without any cost as well. It's about making that information there to be used. And of course, my last slide is to say thank you to everybody who's involved in the survey. So we have our funders, again, some of whom are here today, and we really appreciate their continued support over the last few years. And that includes the Commissioner for Victims of Crime, the Department of Justice, the Mental Health Champion, Public Prosecution Service, Police Ombudsman Office, Road Safety Partnership, and the Executive Office. And the Life and Time survey is a team effort as well. So just want to say thank you to the ARC team in general, to the ARC survey team, and especially to Martina McKnight and Mike McCool for everything that they've done in getting the survey to this point. But of course, my final word has to be a very big thank you to the 1,200 people who took the time to give us their attitudes towards the issues that affected their lives. So, hopefully a little bit of information there on the survey, and now I want to pass over to Siobhan and Nicole for the presentation proper. You're probably thinking, get on with it, let's hear about mental health, that's what we're here for. So we are recording this presentation, but we will not be recording the questions and answers. So Siobhan and Nicole will be presenting for about 30-40 minutes, and then we will have some time for questions and answers, but we won't be recording the questions and answers. And then we will put the video of the event up on the ARC website in due course. We need